In this video, we will talk about Elementor's responsive mode. In Elementor, you can build your web pages for your audience that uses desktop computers. But you can also optimize your web pages for tablet and mobile users. While most parts of your page looks good in desktop view, you may also want to optimize it for tablet and mobile view, because some of your layouts are not optimized for mobile devices. For example, parts of your web page looks good on desktop, but is too narrow for tablet view or mobile view. By using Elementor's responsive mode, you can fix and preview that issue directly from your page editor. Now, let's go and activate Elementor's responsive mode. To activate responsive mode, just click here on this device's icon from the bottom left of your left sidebar panel. And here you will see the modes for desktop, tablet, and mobile. You can see that we are currently in desktop mode. Now, let's go to tablet mode. And here, you can see that these 3-column layout are too narrow for tablet view. What we can do here is to make it 2 columns per row. To make it a 2-column layout, let's just edit its width. I usually work on percentages instead of pixels, because it's much easier to calculate. For example, to make a 2-column layout, we just need to change both of the containers' width to 50%, like this, but make sure your content width is set to full width. Let's also set the third column's width to 50%, and because there is no fourth column to fill the gaps of the design, we need to change the very last column's width from 100% to 50%. Please note that everything you do on desktop affects both tablet and mobile modes, and everything you change on tablet will affect the mobile mode, your paddings, margins, and your font styles, for example. Let's also try to reduce the root container's top and bottom padding to something like 20 pixels. Let's unlink the values. Let's edit its bottom padding and its top padding. Now, let's try to reduce the font size of this heading on tablet mode. Now let's go to mobile mode. Here, you can see that Elementor automatically changed all of our containers' width to 100%, because Elementor knows that mobile views are only suitable to 1-column layout. But you can change this if you want. Now let's reduce this heading's font size further. Now here on desktop mode, we can see that our heading's font size is big. Then on tablet mode it's smaller. We also changed the root container's top and bottom padding here on tablet mode. And on mobile mode the heading's font size is smaller than tablet mode. To exit responsive mode, just click this X icon. Please note that just edit the font styles on tablet and mobile modes, because if you change the font itself somewhere on these modes, the font will also change on all modes. And please also make sure that before you go ahead creating a new section on your page, make sure that the current section that you are creating is already optimized on tablet and mobile modes to avoid headaches, because if you don't do this, you will have to edit all of your tablet and mobile modes later, instead of optimizing them ahead of time. Another quick tip, if you have a 2-column layout like this, where you have a paragraph on the left and an image on the right, if you made both of their widths to 100% on tablet mode, then you have the paragraph on top and image on the bottom. Then you want to make the image on the top instead on the bottom. If you had your image on the left and your paragraph on the right on desktop mode, the image will be automatically placed on the top, but in this case it's the opposite. What you can do here is just reverse your root container's columns using this button. And now you have your image on the top. See you on the next video.